Oh my god, look at this. There's another mountain. And we are already at 1400 meters above sea level, yeah? Yeah, very interesting landscape. High in mountains. Look at this home. Made from stones. Nice. Look, there are like still plenty of mountains there. Like for how many kilometers? Oh, that's a whole city. Nice. And sometimes police is here, or even military, you know, and they are just checking random cars or every single car. It looks so nice, you know, this road just cutting into this mountain. Nice, nice. But that's a nice view. Yeah, road is going there. Okay, nice. Oh my god, that's the sun. Welcome, welcome, finally. Oh, I can't see shit. Look, green, you know, green is coming back. It's perfect. It's just perfect. And it's going to be only better today, right? Who wants to have winter? Like, who are those people, yeah, that like snow and minus temperature? Like, who are they? Welcome, welcome, another day. Or I should say it's still night. I mean, it's early morning, yeah, because we have 6 a.m. Almost 6 a.m. I just left the parking and we are going to join the main road to Antalya. Yes, we have 240 kilometers to the point where we are going to already pass Antalya, yeah, and we are going to have a straight road to our destination. And I guess that we're supposed to take this road. Yeah, Antalya is me. Okay. This one. It's good that we are going to avoid morning traffic. Yeah. Okay. I have took a wrong way. We should go like here, but yeah, it doesn't matter, because with this road we will go straight anyway. So okay, fair enough, fair enough. It's morning, you know, so I am allowed to make some mistakes with navigation. Oh shit. I could park even like those guys here, yeah, and it would be fine. That's why I love Turkey, you know. You can park like this, it's fine, yeah. Look at this. Sun is rising just behind this mountain. Maybe we will be lucky to get a glimpse of the sunrise. Maybe, I don't know. We still have around 100 kilometers to Antalya, but I don't know at which point we are going to pass those mountains and we are going to start driving down to sea level. It looks nice, yeah, it looks nice. Oh my god, look at this. There's another mountain. But sunrise is almost here. Almost. Oh my god, look at this. Like, what's... That's a big mountain. And we are already at 1400 meters above sea level, yeah? Holy. Yeah. Sun is there. Look at this. We are almost there. We can almost see the sun. Finally. Look at those rocks. Plenty of rocks. We are still climbing, you know, a bit, just a bit. And here we have fields. Yeah, very interesting landscape. High in mountains. It's -5 outside. Can you imagine? Look at this. Do you see snow? It's up there, you know. That's a high mountain. God damn. And we have to go down to the sea level. Jeez. I don't know if it's going to be easy or not. Wow, look at this. Wow. Just wow. Look at this. New homes or something like that. I don't know. Some kind of village, very small village in mountains. Wow. Oh, wow. Jeez, just amazing. And basically after a few kilometers, yeah, temperature rised from -6 to +2 degrees. Crazy, crazy. Wow. So we still have few mountains in the front. Okay. Okay. Look at this home. Made from stones. Nice. Just crazy, you know. And the small mosque. Nice, very nice. I have seen the sign, and right now we are 1500 meters above sea level. Yeah, look at this. Oh my god. Like, look, there are like still plenty of mountains there. Like, for how many kilometers we are going to have this? Wow, like, oh. I thought that we are going to get down, you know, soon, but apparently not. Apparently not. It's going to be a lot of kilometers still at this elevation. Yeah. Crazy, just crazy. Oh, and road is getting not so good. Oh. Okay. Look at this. I suppose that it was a river at one point, but right now no water. I don't know why. Maybe just during winter. I don't know. Very strange. Look, finally we have some civilization. Yes. Nice, nice. Oh, it's a whole city. Nice. Road is still not so good, but that's understandable. Oh, look, very interesting building, this home. Very interesting. Oh, nice, nice. Yeah, we have a red light. And we have a green one. Okay. Yeah, we are basically just passing the city, like I guess from the right side. Yeah. Oh, road is really not good here. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Yeah, look at those mountains far away. But now we have those bushes, and now we have this mosque, Jami, yes, Jami Bar. Look at those mountains. Oh my god. Oh my god. We still have 70 kilometers. Yeah, to the point where we are going to basically pass Antalya. So to Antalya we have probably 50, 55. And to our destination, oh, I guess we have still like 250, something like that. A lot, you know, we have a lot. Oh look, sometimes in Turkey you have that kind of checkpoints, yeah? And sometimes police is here, or even military, you know, and they are just checking random cars or every single car. It depends from a location and from time. But it's very common, yeah? Oh yeah, look, Antalya, 56 kilometers, yeah. So I was almost right, yeah, 56. Look at this field. Oh my god. It looks so nice. Wow. It looks so nice, you know, this road just cutting into this mountain. Nice, nice. Look at this, we have some village here. Nice. Whoa, whoa. Road is still rough. Yeah. Whoa, whoa. Oh, look. Boats? I don't know what it is. Wow. Interesting. Restaurant. It would be nice to eat something, but later on. I guess I will stop after I'm going to pass Antalya. That's a big mountain. Oh, and that's a nice view. Yeah, road is going there. Okay, nice. Oh my god, that's the sun. Welcome, welcome, finally. Ah, I can't see shit. Right now we are 970 meters above sea level, so we are going down. Yeah, gently we are going down. Oh, finally. Ah, sun. Ah, just perfect. Yeah, I'm wondering how long we will go down. Probably around 10 or 15 kilometers, maybe even 20. It's 8 degrees, by the way, right now. Temperature is just crazy, you know. Sometimes it's 0, now it's 8. But I think it will go up from this point, because we are going down to sea level and sun is basically rising. So yeah, I guess it will go up. Oh yeah, we need to brake. Yavaş, yavaş. I mean, it's not so bad, this corner here. And sun again, nice, welcome. Nice views. The only downside of this road is that sometimes it is hard to get some good radio station, yeah. But it's obvious, yeah, like in mountains. Look, green, you know, green is coming back. Nice. Oh my god, look at this road. Oh, oh, it's perfect. It's just perfect. Oh my god. Antalya, 30 kilometers. Okay. Looks so nice. Amazing, just amazing. And it's going to be only better today, right? Because we are going to have some coastline road. Yes, Yavash, we need to slow down. But this corner is not so bad, but you know. As you can see, it's not so bad, it's normal. Just normal. And this mountain, wow. Crazy, just crazy. It's 8:40 AM, 10 degrees outside. In January, yeah? And it's going to be only better. God damn, I have to live somewhere here, yeah. I'm not going to experience any winter whatsoever. Who wants to have winter? Like, who are those people, yeah? That like snow and minus temperature, like, who are they? Wow, look at this. Don't mind the sound, don't mind the sound. Look at this. We are slowly entering Antalya. Finally. Yes, finally. It's 16 degrees outside. Can you imagine? It's getting hot outside. And we have a red light. Okay, braking time. Yeah, we are going to have a lot of traffic lights on the way. God damn. Like from here we have around 28 kilometers to enter the city, then to pass the city, you know, and to get to this road to no, basically to Alanya and later on to our destination.